I have this problem every single time I'm going to leave the house, and I don't know which one. Well, is this one harder to see or is this one harder to see? That's the whole purpose of this hat.
I can't see what I
Okay, so we'll go with this one. Golden, trying to look like me now. Weirdo. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another vlog. I guess you can kind of call this a part 2 to Monday's video. And really quick, before you watch this video, if you haven't seen Monday's video, click the link right up here. This plays a huge part in this video, if that makes any sense. But yes, go watch that video, then come back because, yeah, we got some amazing news for you guys today. And obviously, if you're reading the title and looking at the thumbnail of this video, it's no secret, Andrew Peachy, also known as former Loud2v's, has finally made the purchase on the 2018 Mustang GT. And for those of you that know a little bit about those cars, they're beasts. Full bolt-ons, over 500 horsepower, which is insane. For those of you that didn't click off this video to go catch up with Monday's video to see exactly what's been going on, I'm gonna give you guys a little recap right here. Roll it. All right, so I found Mr. Peachy himself. It's been a while since you've been on the vlogs, man. Where have you been?
I've been working, and I've been selling Loud2v's.
I know, dude. Let's talk about this. You're letting her go?
I am letting it go. It's gonna be, it's gonna be worth it. Let me put it that way. Golly, that's what it sounded like?
She's gone. So is our friendship. How does that feel, man? Did you just let your baby go?
It hurts, I know. Legit, I'm all up in my feels right now. That hurt.
Loud2v's is, it's gone, dude. So there you have it, everyone. Obviously, I traveled to Andrew's house Monday. I met up with Andrew and his brother Dane and the buyer that was coming to buy Loud2v's. And to make a long story short, that 2-valve actually belonged to my uncle before Andrew. And then my uncle sold it to the guy that just bought it from Andrew. I know, trust me, it's a big clusterfuck. But it's really not that hard to understand, and it's kind of crazy if you think about it. And not to mention, Andrew made $1,000 on that car after he bought it for 10 grand the first time. Then he just sold it back to the dude for $11,000. $11,000 for a 2-valve. That's insane. He could have got an 0304 Mach 1. He could have got a 9901 Cobra. What are you thinking, dude? But no, on a serious note, Andrew's 2-valve was stupid clean. Probably one of the cleanest 2-valves around. I could definitely tell you the exterior is 10 times cleaner than mine. Blue has her blemishes and whatnot, so yeah, she wasn't as clean. Anyways, we are now waiting on Andrew and Dane to arrive at my house. And from there, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right on into this vlog, as this is probably gonna be one of the most exciting videos to drop this week. Andrew with a new 2018 Mustang GT. Before you guys go and start roasting, it is a manual, but I will say, I know the automatics are dumb fast and super, super good. But no, he had to stay true to his roots and he got a manual, which, you know, cool with me because I personally enjoy manual 10 times more than an automatic. Hello, my young son. How are you doing? Aw, you're such a princess. Yes, you are. All right, little does Andrew know, not only did he get a new GT Mustang, but he ain't got shit on this scooter. Yeah. Oh, yeah? Oh, look at that! Oh! Well, 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 everyone. The 2018 Silver GT has arrived. Damn. She's looking pretty damn good. All right, let me put this beast away. What's up?
What's up, man?
Not much.
How you like my Honda?
It's pretty nice. I kind of figured you're gonna get an EcoBoost, but it's all good.
Here she is.
I know we're wearing the same outfits, and I kind of told him in the last video at the end that, you know, we kind of already knew. We just had to play it off.
Yeah.
Sometimes you gotta do those kind of things, you know? There she is, guys. 2018 Mustang GT. How you liking it, man?
I love it. It is, I still only have like 250 miles on it, so I'm trying to break it in a little bit.
Before you start romping on it, right?
Yeah. I can already tell 2-valve ain't got nothing on this. I'm telling you what, man.
So give us a little rundown on it.
This is a 2018 Mustang GT, ingot silver with the black accent package. So it's got black wheels, black emblems, black spoiler, and black roof. Everything else is stock. It is obviously the manual. I didn't get the 10R80. I got the 6-speed MT82 Direct 4.
So when you sold Loud2v's, what cars were like up for grabs? Like what were you looking at?
When I was looking to sell Loud2v's, since I had 2 cars, even though one of them was kind of totaled, I was looking at, I wanted a Coyote, so I was looking at S197s. I was looking at some 15 to 17 S550s, and then I was looking at the 18s as well. And I honestly didn't think I was going to do an 18, but with Memorial Day is right around where I bought it, right after Memorial Day. With Memorial Day sales, I'm a recent college graduate, so they give you a discount there. And then I had quite a bit of cash to put down. It was great. It was a good decision. I love it.
Nice. So definitely worth it?
Yeah, definitely worth it.
So far at least, right?
Yeah, so far.
Well, anyways, let's take a look inside the car. Got the base model, you know, that is lighter too.
That gear shift in the middle, and I'm good to go, man.
True that, but dude, I will tell you, I sat in these things are dumb comfy. Like, people don't understand how comfortable these cloth seats really are. I think they're a lot more comfortable than like Recaras and stuff, definitely.
Like, lumbar support, and you can move them in and out.
They got a little bucket to them, you guys can see here, but yeah, dude, it's definitely clean. It's a different, you know, totally different level than a 2-valve, I will say. Wasn't really expecting it. I know you wanted one, but I thought you were honestly gonna go with like an older S550, you know?
Like my brother's?
Yeah, or S197. What the hell are you doing, Dane? What are you, too cool to come out and talk? Or are you just scared of my scooter?
That's my bitches, man.
Oh, Dane, one thing. One thing. What are those? So yes, now the Peachy brothers both have Coyotes, but sorry, Dane. He's a little bit faster.
Just a little bit. Not for long.
Not for long. We'll get it. It's alright, 2-valve's about to spink both of y'all.
Yeah, we'll line all three up.
I'm just kidding. We're aiming for 400 to the wheel. I'll have the slimmest chance. Probably not against this thing, but you know, the older Coyotes maybe. But yeah, this thing's a hog. As I was telling them, you put full bolt-ons and stuff. This thing is no joke. Yes, what was the E85 full bolt-ons, like 550?
Yeah, it's like close to 550
That's
wheel horsepower, something like that.
You were telling me earlier that the motors are fully forged.
Yeah, so pretty much they're ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, you put a blower on these things and get that thing tuned up, you are ready to rock. Some high horsepower. Hell yeah, man, I'm liking it. Do me a favor down below, guys. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know what you guys think of the car. I think it looks honestly amazing. Obviously, the car has not been modified yet. Here it is, the space shuttle in full effect. Dude, honestly, you know what that reminds me of? It reminds me of the Halo sword.
Yes!
You know?
Dude, that's what that is. It has drilled and slotted rotors.
Dude, hey. Hold the fuck up.
You like try to put brakes on it yourself, or is that stock?
Listen, you're gonna stop talking shit, Mr. Coyote owner.
I'll race you 0 to 15.
Third honk, all right? Third honk.
Okay.
Go.
Wow. Well, he's gone. He went. I guess I got a new camera. Hey, Derek, you're never gonna get one of these. Oh, here he comes down the back straight. Oh, he's coming in hot. Oh!
That might be faster than blue.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
Dude, that's DerekBaranProductions.
Some burnout juice.
She's ready to go now.
Ooh. Hi, Duke.
All right, Angie, so with the car, obviously we just introduced it and stuff, and you know, many people are gonna be wanting to see a 2018 get modified. So what would you say the first 5 mods, realistic mods, would be?
First, so I would, actually this brings up a good point. I'm gonna try to get all these done before Mustang Week, which is 4 months from now?
Roughly.
Tent, that's first. Then after tent, I'm gonna do some like vinyl on some of the lights here to make kind of get that more blackout-ish look. That's 2. Exhaust will be 3. Probably gonna do like an H pipe or X pipe and go from there, because these new axle backs are quite loud for stock axle backs. I mean, obviously there's like, of course, extreme loud, but these are pretty good for stock. Intake tune.
There you go. That's pretty solid.
Maybe after that, wheels, suspension. I don't know. There's all kinds of things I can do, man. So.
Yep. But the one thing Andrew is gonna learn about having an 18, this is no 2-valve. It's gonna take a lot of money and a lot of time to modify this thing. But you know, once it's done, it's never done. But once he starts getting things done, it's gonna look crazy good. All right, so I know what you guys are waiting for. Let's get in this car, let's get this thing started up, and let's see what she can do. Now keep in mind, Andrew is not able to, you know, redline this car. He said he's gonna make an exception for one time, but as you guys know, newer vehicles, especially with a newer clutch, and how many miles does it have? Like 250?
234.
234 miles on this vehicle, so you do not want to be beating the shit out of it because nothing is worn in yet. But we're gonna go for a cruise anyways. I'm gonna give you guys a little insight on it, how it feels, because first thing, these cloth seats, honest to God, are so comfortable. Safety first before I get roasted in the comment section. How's it feel?
Man, it feels so good. Loud2v valve was nothing compared to this.
So here's some rev matching in a stock 18 with the exhaust. Oh, she wants to go, dude. All right, so he's gonna hit a little second gear pull. Damn, dude. That car wants to go. How fast was that?
Like 94 miles an hour.
94 in second gear, that's insane. Yo, chill. Y'all are wild. Stables mill around. What are you doing? Yeah, all kidding aside, everyone, as soon as blue is boosted and all finished up, I definitely have to go and purchase myself an S197, such as Dane's over there, or an S550. Probably not an 18 just because of the pricing, and I want to get fully loaded like Recaros, nav, and stuff. So possibly 15, 16, maybe a lightning blue 16. But yeah, I definitely think this is my calling for sure. Alright everyone, welcome back to the vlog. This is about 2 to 3 days later and I'm just not finishing this up. Anyways guys, that's today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and it's pretty big news. Andrew, you know, sold Loud2 valve in the previous video and he just picked himself up a silver 2018 Mustang GT, and the thing is absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys want to go check him out on Instagram, it's QuickSilver50. It's on the screen right here. Make sure you go drop him a follow. Anyways guys, remember, if you enjoyed, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment with any questions and concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DVP vlog shout out is going out to Rubber Ducky M1. I'm liking the name, so make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram as well. And if any of you guys want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DVP Squad on all your posts. As you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, I go to the hashtags, he used it, and boom, shout out. Video dropping Friday, so be there. But until next time, we'll see you later.
I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.